is in a series connection connected is compression. Series connection. This means series connection. This one you consider connection is in the series. That means one path and another path will be connected each other. Okay, this is called series path. And here inlet pressure is 100. Here inlet pressure is 100 kilopascal, and discharge pressure here discharge pressure is the 200 kilopascal. Okay. How many compressors need? They are actually one, two. Me or us actually they want a decision. How many compressor actually need? If compressor ratio 4 and 5, they have given us some condition. 4 and 5, they have given us some condition. If you consider compressor, 1 is the ratio. If you consider 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Just considering the point. Okay. 1 to compressor is the 4, and 1, 2 to 3 compressor is the 5, right? But in this between and one compressor, this one we don't know. Okay, we have to put. We know the ratio. If you consider for compression 1, 1 to 2 equal to output input. Okay, input. Okay, ratio is 4 equal to output we don't know. But input is 100. Then output equal will be 400 kilopascal. Okay, that means this first compressor output is the 400. Okay, now we know the ratio, we know the also first compressor output, that value actually the input of the second compressor. For compressor 2, R2 to 3 equal to output the input. Okay, and 5 equal to output we don't know, but input we know the 400. Then output will be the 2000 kilopascal. That is actually uh, their required output actually 2000 kilopascal. So that is the mass with this their requirement. So we can say the first compressor and second compressor. This two compressor is the enough for getting the output 2000 kilopascal. So we can give them this decision how many compressor will be needed. That means two compressor is needed. Two compressor. So two compressor will need.